Yeah. Pick it up. Pick it up.
Huh?
No, you don't want to break it. Be very gentle. Okay?
Help me.
We need...
Okay. Oh God. How do I do this? Where'd they go?
Can you help open the box?
I wonder what this is.
Papa.
I'm excited.
Wow. What the? Oh, paint. What the heck?
What in the world is that?
Do you get it?
No.
It's an iPad. Look.
Look, it's a pen. See the eye? On a panty pad? You got your iPad, baby. Put it in your case. In your case. Put your iPad in there.
It's on a pad for your, you know what?
Yeah, that's what it is. It's an iPad.
It was for the iPad. That wasn't funny, wasn't it? Come on.
Put it in your case.
It was funny.
No. It's a pad for your period.
It's clean. It's clean.
And it's got an eye on it.
All right. Do you want presents from other people?
Here, ready? What are you doing?
There you go.
I love